Experience the quintessential London life with Creek Court, not just a student accommodation, but a portal to your dreams in the heart of the city. Whether you're drawn to the intimacy of a studio or the convenience of an ensuite, Creek Court caters to your every preference. Whip up gourmet meals in the fully equipped kitchen, revel in the luxury of a private bathroom, and breeze through your online pursuits with high-speed Wi-Fi. Say goodbye to mundane chores with on-site laundry facilities and secure bike storage, freeing up invaluable time for academic pursuits. And with utility bills included in the rent, your savings are just another perk of calling Creek Court home. Nestled conveniently near Alpha Meridian College and Amos London International, Creek Court offers the perfect balance between study and relaxation. Indulge in culinary delights at nearby establishments like Cutty Sark Cafe, restaurant and bar, or catch the latest blockbusters at Genesis Cinema. With Tesco Express just a stone's throw away, stocking up on essentials is a breeze. On weekends, immerse yourself in the eclectic charm of London, easily accessible via nearby bus and train stops. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Visit amberstudent.com today and secure your slice of London living at Creek Court.